a checklist.
Yeah. What?
You're so weird.
It's for... It has all the items I'm bringing, and then it has another spot for when we leave the hotel, and then when we leave the hotel.
You're bringing
again.
the clipboard and everything?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I need it to write stuff down.
Oh, dear Lord.
This is a science trip. It's not just for fun.
Oh, look at you. You're gonna be the only teenager that says that. We're headed out. It's at like 4:30 in the morning, so we're trying to get her to leave. But she's still like trying to make sure she has everything.
It's not even 5 yet.
This is the last time you'll probably see the dude for a while. He woke up to see us even though it's like 4 in the morning. He's a sleepy duty. Alright, and then Mom. Hello, Mom.
Good morning, everybody.
She's still trying to pack her homework.
I know. She's such a good girl.
I had to have a little mini intervention there because she wanted to take her history book and more work to do for extra credit. We said no. So we had to force her to take all these books out of her bag.
I just don't want her to lose it.
Just so we're clear, this is a trip to Florida for school, but it's not like it's intense studying. It's more like intense, like playing in with turtles and dolphins and seals and blah, blah.
I don't want her to lose her history homework.
What 14-year-old has a clipboard? What?
Her.
Yeah. Anyway, on to the plane. Well, we got in our room. We're all settled. There's a cupcake back there, but you can't see her because the camera's like, no! Face tracking, magic. Oh, now it's locked on you.
No. Leave me alone. Go away.
We gotta go get food.
No, stop.
Hey, let go. Jeez, man. You're so twitchy, camera. Anyway, this is the Osmo, so it's got face locking technology, so once it sees a face, it's like, you're mine. Anyway, we're gonna go down to this food truck that's out front of the hotel, which is actually rated really high. It's called Monster Burger, but they got like crazy food, and the guy, according to the internet, the guy really likes cheese.
It's like American food mixed with like Mexican.
And you know, we don't know that. We don't even know. It's monster. It's made out of monster meat. We're waiting for our monster meat at the Monster Bite truck. It's pretty crazy. It's right off the highway, man. And the airport is like right there. There's like, you can see the tops of the planes back there over the highway. It's kind of crazy. Like there's been planes flying overhead all the time we got here.
Yeah.
It was a long day, wasn't it?
I
Yeah.
fell asleep in the Uber.
Yeah, you did. Because we had to fly 6 hours, right?
I didn't sleep on the plane.
No. And we got up at like 4 o'clock our time.
I got up at like 3:45 because for some reason I just woke up and I couldn't go back to sleep.
Nice. It's like 7 Eastern now, so it's not even, it's like 5 o'clock our time. But when you get up at 4 in the morning, it feels pretty rough, especially after a 6-hour plane ride. It's rough. So we're gonna go get our monster meat, go eat it, and we'll show you what it looks like for reals. We've got our food, right? How's the fries?
Good.
Are they?
Tastes like a fry.
Do they? They give you a lot of fries. A lot of fry. And then here's the wrap. The wrap is pretty bloody impressive. Look at that. That just looks mighty tasty. And it's bloody huge. I don't know what kind of tortillas they use, but they're massive. Let me see the burger, Bob. Oh, that's a pretty good looking burger. You must be happy with your burger choice. Yeah. So you should taste your burger for everybody so they can tell if it's a good burger, if it's a monster meaty burger. Oh geez, look at that. Look at that. That's a good looking beer. Wow. Don't spill it. Oh. Bacon attack. Robble robble? Robble robble? Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good.
We gotta have this now. Since you ate your burger in the time it took me to get ready to eat mine, I've never seen you eat such a big burger. You ate that in like 3 minutes. That was amazing. It's like food eating competition right there. Was it any good?
Yeah, it was pretty good.
It looked great.
Yeah, it was.
This is all I've gotten down. I can't eat the other half. And it's got chicken and beef grilled, mixed around with a load of cheese. It was really good. If you're ever down here by the airport in Miami, you should go over to Monster Bite. All right, weirdo.
Hey.
Hey.
Got here.
You got sleep okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sort of. I woke up for 2 hours and couldn't go back to sleep.
Yeah, that was that last night. Last night was pretty rough. Big time change, 3-hour time change, and it's hot here, and the beds are weird, and all sorts of other reasons. So, but we're headed now to, where are we going? Bayside
Market?
Bayside Market, which is apparently a famous Miami thing. We're gonna go there, we're gonna catch this Uber, we're gonna go, and we're gonna see what's going on. It's pretty warm today, so you're gonna see a lot of hot people, mostly us. Right, Cupcakes?
Yeah.
Right? They won't look at you right now because the Osmo is like only talking about me. Anyway, let's show you what we see. Check out the buildings. They're pretty sweet. It's classic Miami Vice, man. It's pretty sweet. Can't beat the. I can feel the tin drum or whatever it is, the steel drum. Are you excited? Yeah. Yeah. This place looks pretty cool. You can kind of see it behind her. It's the Bayside Mall. We're gonna just walk around and see what we see. So let's go do that. We've been here an hour and you're like burning up. Well, it's hot. How could it be hot? So it's hot. It's really hot.
Looks like you have scales.
I have scales because of the sweat. We're going to go on a boat tour, which would be really interesting. We just got it. Bay Ride Tours takes you through all of the bay and the river and all that. So we're going to go do that. I haven't done one of those here ever, so that'll be interesting for both of us, I think.
I'm attempting to fan myself with my hat.
They're doing a very good job of it.
I know.
We got one of these really cool mango things, though. They're quite tasty. Isn't that good? It's nice and cold. And it's sweating as well. Everything sweats here. are in Little Havana after our little boat trip. So we're gonna walk around Little Havana and see all the Little Havana stuff. What is exactly here that we're supposed to see? You don't know?
There's supposed to be like a bunch of like Spanish
stuff.
Like Spanish food, Cuban food.
Alright, well we'll walk up and down and see what we run into Spanish stuff. Come on. So you want to go get something to eat?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, well, let's walk that way and see what we find. Christo Restaurant was recommended to us by a shop owner across the street, and it's really amazingly cool already. The owner, which you just saw go by, was extraordinarily nice. He took us to the special table, talked to us for a little bit. We're getting all set up. It smells fantastic. They brought us this bread. It looks like normal average bread. It's not normal average bread, is it?
I don't know what it is. It's like it's been like baked in olive oil. It's really good.
Yeah, garlic and something else.
Yeah.
I can't tell what it is. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's hot. It's like burning hot. It's really good, isn't it? This place is pretty... I wish you... Again, this is one of those moments that I actually had smell-o-vision. Because just the air right now smells amazing. That was the steak, shrimp, and chicken. Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Then we got plantains and something that I don't remember what she said. I think that's a salad. Then we got whatever those things are. We got that rice. What was those? Oh, those are the yucca.
Oh, yeah. I want to try those.
Try the shrimp. I don't know what it looks like. What's it taste like?
It's really good.
It all smells fantastical. Oy. Oy.
I'm going to try the yucca.
Try the yucca. Eat the yucca and the green stuff.
I don't know what it is, but it's really good.
that steak is unbelievable, by the way. That is amazing. I thought last night's hamburger was amazing, but that is an amazing piece of meat. Whatever they do to that meat is like unbelievable. Look how much of food we ate. It's just the two of us. Raw. Morgan's decided that yucca is her friend, so those are all gone. Plantains are almost gone. That's what I would eat. By far the best lunch we've ever had, I think. She's gonna go to town on this meat. Give you more meat. Raw. We're gonna get some Cuban coffee. We're gonna go back to the hotel, get our bags, and then we gotta go meet the rest of the science team so that we can go on the bus and go down to the Florida Keys, which is where we're gonna start doing science. So we're gonna finish this up, get some coffee. You know, I'll take pictures of that, and then we're gonna head over and get on the bus. Are you excited about your team coming in?
They're going to be really mad because they woke up at 2 in the morning to get here. So
Yeah, they were.
And they had a layover.
Yeah. And they didn't have all this food either.
No. They were not fed. So.
No, they were not fed. We have fed ourselves entirely too much as she eats the last of the yucca. The fact that you're just watching this and not trying to figure out how to get here, something's wrong with you. You need to come down here right now because this place is amazing. I'm going to put the links down below so you can take a look at it because you need to come here. You need to eat this food. It's amazing.
If you live in Miami, this is definitely the place to go.
We've been here and this room is filled up again the second time and it's like 2 in the afternoon. That's how great this place is.